Hello and welcome to the Leadership Compass Podcast. Ako po si King Treeport Portik. And joining me this evening is my partner in Compass Crown Consulting, Mr. Regal Garcia. Partner, magandang gabi sa'yo.
Magandang gabi rin, partner. And to our viewers and mga soon-to-be viewers, magandang araw, magandang gabi rin sa inyo. Okay? So, today, we're diving into powerful traits that every leaders, yung determination and resilience no, ng isang tao. Our guest would be someone na hahangaan talaga natin after this podcast.
And to add to that, no partner, yung qualities na yan is actually present sa guest natin today. And our guest really embodies both determination and resilience. Kasama ko siya dati sa previous job ko in the BPO. And from being an employee, he transitioned to becoming the managing director of Kaizen Power BPO Services. Kasama ko din siya dati while we were training in mixed martial arts. At hindi lang train, he was a legitimate competitor. And very proud to say that this guest of ours today is one of the only 8 certified Filipino Ironman triathlon coach. A former colleague, a good friend of mine, please join me in welcoming online all the way from Davao, Mr. Jeff Ryan Lozano. Sir Jeff, thank you very much for being here. Magandang gabi. Kumusta ka dyan?
Hello. Good morning. Good evening, whatever time it is to all our viewers right now. Well, first of all, it's a pleasure to be here. Thank you so much for having me. And I hope we're going to have a good conversation this morning, this evening.